alphabets.
Hey guys! Wow! A new episode of Board Smashing Grocery Store Phones out so soon?
Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
I hope you all got the most out of Ramadan. Although Ramadan is finished, it doesn't mean we can't.
México, Teis Sports, TV Venezuela y muchos más que no encontrarás en Dish Network. Con DirecTV te aseguras que tú...
Was itchy. Oh, my nose is itching still. Stupid no, no, no. I don't want...
It's you.
No, no. I don't want to save. Don't need to.
Well, that's how it's going to be. Maybe this belongs to...
My God. Ah! My God. Ah!
And the boat is